In this video, we're going to show you what to do if your add-ons are not working on Streamio. Alright, so this is a very simple thing to do, so make sure you watch to the end of the video so you don't miss anything. So the first thing you have to do is close the app, then press down on the Streamio icon for a few seconds, then simply delete the app. And then head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and re-download the Streamio app. Then once it's done downloading, open it, then simply log in by entering your email and your password. Alright, so now that we've made it to the app once again, head over to the three dashes in the top left and tap on add-ons. You can now install the add-ons that you want, or if they're already installed, uninstall them and install them again. And that's it, so this should fix your problem. So if it didn't, go ahead and contact customer support and describe the problem you're facing. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.